Hey there! Have you heard people say AI is taking jobs or that it's too expensive? There's a lot of talk about AI, but not all of it is true. Today, we're breaking down 5 of the biggest AI myths that might be stopping your firm from growing. Ever wonder if AI will replace lawyers and accountants? Or if clients really trust AI? Stick around because we're clearing up these misconceptions. By the end of this video, you'll see how AI can actually help your firm, not hurt it. Let's dive in where you'll learn how AI can save time, cut costs, and build client trust. Don't let outdated ideas hold you back. Smart firms are already using AI to get ahead. Quick question before we start. What's your biggest concern about AI? Drop a comment below. I'd love to hear your thoughts. An extra insight? AI is already transforming industries worldwide. By 2025, over 85% of businesses are expected to use AI-driven automation in some form. Don't get left behind. Did you know law firms that integrate AI into their workflows see an average of 40% reduction in administrative work, allowing professionals to focus on client service? Myth number 1, AI will replace me. In reality, AI isn't here to take your job. It's here to help. Think of it like a super assistant that works 24/7, handling repetitive tasks so you can focus on more important work. AI can schedule meetings, conduct research, and even draft basic documents, freeing up your time. AI doesn't make major decisions. It still needs people to check its work and make final calls. Firms that use AI get more done in less time, make fewer mistakes, and offer better service to clients. An example? A law firm uses AI to scan and summarize case law in minutes instead of hours. The lawyer still makes the final decision, but AI speeds things up. AI also helps with contract review, compliance checks, and drafting routine emails. Another great use case? AI-powered legal research tools that help attorneys find relevant cases faster than ever before. Did you know AI-powered transcription services can also generate meeting summaries in seconds, reducing time spent on notes? And here's a pro insight. Firms using AI see a 30% boost in productivity, allowing legal professionals to focus on complex, high-value work instead of administrative tasks. And AI for billing. Many law firms are now using AI-powered time tracking tools to ensure they bill clients accurately and avoid revenue loss. Myth number 2, AI is too expensive. In reality, AI is more affordable than you think. Now, while some AI systems can be pricey, many tools cost less than a cup of coffee per day. Small firms and solo practitioners are already using budget-friendly AI tools. AI saves money by reducing paperwork, avoiding costly mistakes, and automating routine tasks. Most AI tools pay for themselves by letting firms handle more work without hiring extra staff. So for example, a small accounting firm automates invoicing with AI, improving cash flow by 30% and saving thousands in administrative costs. Subscription-based AI tools often cost far less than hiring a full-time assistant. AI-powered document automation alone can cut admin workload in half, freeing up billable hours for high-value tasks. And AI voice assistants can provide instant answers to client inquiries, reducing the need for additional staff to handle repetitive questions. So long-term savings? Firms using AI-driven automation reduce operational costs by an average of 25% annually. And AI-powered forecasting? Accounting firms use AI to predict cash flow trends, allowing businesses to make smarter financial decisions. Myth number 3, clients don't trust AI. In reality, AI actually makes customer service faster and more reliable. Most clients prefer AI-powered tools for quick responses and better accuracy. Studies show 80% of clients like fast AI-assisted replies instead of waiting on hold. AI can schedule appointments, draft simple legal documents, and keep communication organized so firms can respond faster. Instead of pushing clients away, AI builds trust by making sure they get answers quickly. An example? A law firm's AI voice assistant helps with client intake. Since it responds instantly, even at night, client engagement increases. AI-powered customer service bots ensure clients get updates on their cases anytime, day or night. And a pro tip? AI voice assistants can answer calls, qualify leads, and route urgent matters to the right person, all without missing a beat. The new trend is 75% of clients say they would rather speak to an AI voice assistant for quick updates than wait for an email reply. So AI for personalization? Firms are now using AI to analyze client interactions and provide customized legal solutions. Myth number 4, AI is too complicated. Reality? AI is designed to be user-friendly. Many modern AI tools require no technical expertise and come with intuitive interfaces that make automation easy. No-code AI platforms like ChatGPT and Zapier and Make and NAN let firms set up workflows in minutes without IT support. AI can integrate directly with case management and accounting software, automating repetitive tasks seamlessly. Many AI tools offer pre-built templates for common legal and financial workflows. Example, a law firm automates document drafting using AI, reducing the time spent on contract creation by 50%. AI-powered transcription can generate meeting notes instantly, saving hours of manual work. Did you know 70% of businesses using AI say it was easier to implement than expected? Myth number 5, AI is just a trend. In reality, AI isn't just a trend. It's the new normal. Law firms and accounting firms and businesses worldwide are already using it. AI is helping firms with legal research, contract reviews, case prep, and client management. Courts, government agencies, and corporations are investing heavily in AI to improve efficiency. If your competitors are using AI and you're not, you risk falling behind. So for example, major firms like Deloitte have entire AI teams because they know AI is the future of their industry. AI adoption is speeding up, not slowing down. The best time to start using it is now. So I have a question. What's stopping you from trying AI? Drop a comment below. AI isn't something to fear. It's something to use to your advantage. The firms using AI today will be the leaders of tomorrow. AI saves time, reduces mistakes, and helps firms grow faster than ever before. The firms using AI now are the ones getting ahead in their industry. Want to learn more? Drop a comment or send me a message and I'll show you how AI can help your firm. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss a video on the future of AI.